Hi everyone, in this video we are going to be talking about operator precedence. Operator precedence is used to determine which operation is going to be performed first when there are multiple operators in an expression. Like here in this example, there are two operators in that expression, and to determine which of these operators going to be performed first, we need the precedence rule. And here in this table shown that the postfix operator has the highest precedence, like parentheses, brackets, dot operator, etc. And the lower we go in the table, the precedence level decreases. The comma operator has the lowest precedence in C, and as you can see in the table, multiplication has higher precedence than the addition operator. So in the example, the multiplication is gonna be performed first and then the addition. So the result is gonna be 30 plus 2, 32. Now we talk about operator associativity. Associativity is required when there are multiple operators of same precedence level. As you can see in that expression, there are two operators, multiplication and division, and they has the same precedence level. In the table, as you can see, multiplicative operator, division and multiplication, they have the same precedence. So to determine which operation is going to be performed first, we need the associativity rule. And the associativity rule of multiplicative operator is left to right. That means you have to perform from left to right. First you have to perform the multiplication and then the division, and the result is gonna be 20 by 5. So the result is gonna be 4. Hope you understand the concept. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any queries or questions, please feel free to comment down below.